Craving for some relaxation? Planning to soothe your senses? Then don't miss out on this video where we show you around one of the best thermal baths of Budapest. Hey there! We're We the Trippers. Széchenyi Thermal Bath is one of the biggest hot spring baths in Budapest and all over Europe. Loads of people visit it because it's famous for its natural hot springs. If you're in Budapest, you've got to check it out. It is one of the oldest thermal baths, with more than 100 years of history. The thermal baths are famous for being good for your health because they've got minerals in them that are really good for you. There are loads of different pools with different temperatures, so you can find the one that's just right for you. There is also a lap swimming pool outside, and it's heated. Széchenyi Thermal Bath Complex is a big place, and it doesn't feel jam-packed because they're really good at managing the crowds. And they keep the place super clean, which is great. The staff is always around to make sure the water stays clean and safe. Since it's so popular, it's smart to go early and book your tickets on their website ahead of time. Otherwise, it could get super crowded, and you might not get in. If you decide to go, just bring all the stuff you need. When you're packing your bag, don't forget to bring a towel, a swimsuit, and maybe a bathrobe if you're going in the winter. It can get pretty chilly when you get out of the water. And always remember to bring flip-flops. There is a shop inside that sells swimwear, flip-flops, towels, and other things, but it's quite expensive. So, it's better to plan ahead and bring your own. There are different kinds of saunas with different levels of heat, and you can also try steam baths. If you want to bring your phone, it might be a good idea to put it in a waterproof pouch so it doesn't get wet. With an additional cost, you can spend some time in a sauna session, get a massage, or even try out a beer spa if you're feeling adventurous. The building itself is really cool to look at. Inside, there's a changing room with lockers that you can open with a wristband they give you. If you want, you can pay a little extra for a private changing room. One of the best parts is the outdoor pool. Even when it's freezing outside, the heated pools make it feel warm and cozy. And there is this fun whirlpool where you can spend almost an entire day. The whirlpool is a highlight of this thermal bath and is a must-do for an experience. Kids are welcome, but they have to be at least 10 years old. You should double-check on their website before you go. It's a lot of fun to go with your family, especially hanging out in the whirlpool together. If you get hungry, there are places to get food inside. Going to the thermal baths in the winter is an amazing experience you won't forget. The whole day just flies by because you are not doing anything except relaxing in the warm waters, switching from pool to pool. It is definitely worth visiting just to switch off from work and other stress and soak into these waters. The evening is especially magical with all the beautiful lights and steam coming off the pools. We hope that this video has given you some motivation to travel to Budapest and plan for a day at the thermal baths. Please do like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to us. Until next time.